The SPP-100 is a compact differential amplifier intended for electrophysiological research and teaching applications. It is suitable for AC-coupled extracellular recordings from gross electrodes such as wire hooks, glass pipettes, or metal microelectrodes. The SPP-100 provides excellent low-noise performance, making it ideal for demanding electrophysiology applications. The remote headstage has differential inputs and can be placed close to the preparation or mounted on a micromanipulator. Gain is adjustable from 100 times to 20,000 times, ensuring wide input signal compatibility. The SPP-100 features onboard low and high-cut filtering, as well as a 50 or 60 Hz notch filter. With the external power supply adapter connected to the SPP-100, it is powered on by a brief press of the rotary control. During use, this action activates a D-block function to remove DC offsets. The SPP-100 headstage is compact and fitted with a mounting rod to facilitate micromanipulator attachment. Connection to the amplifier is via the socket on the left of the front panel. To adjust the gain, press the top button and adjust the setting with the rotary control. The low-cut filter setting is adjusted by pressing the second button and dialing the required frequency. Further presses of the low-cut filter button cycles through 2 additional filter ranges. Button 3 selects the high-cut filter settings. Similar to the low-cut filter, there are 2 ranges available. The notch filter is activated by button 4 and automatically operates at 50 Hz or 60 Hz depending on the local mains frequency. The amplified analog signal output is accessed via the BNC socket on the right of the front panel.